Hello everyone, I'm Sarvesh. Welcome to Let's Code with Sarvesh. So today we are going to make a animation. Not only animation, we can also say it an application of a dice. Everyone know dice. We use the dice for playing games like Ludo and Snake and Ladders. But some people are there who cheat with us. For solving this problem, I am going to make an animation. Also, you can set an app on turbowrap or you can also use Scratch. So let us start. So for making this, we need a backdrop of baseball. We have to make it animation type. So let's start. We have to choose a backdrop or this. I like this one, baseball. Now we have to choose a sprite, a baseball player. Mm, you can see this better. I have now make its size smaller. I'm setting it to 50. Yeah, it is okay. But before this, we have to edit a backdrop. So go on backdrop and choose paint. So select this. Now let us start. So for making this, we have to divide it in six sections, not six, eight. You can see this. Our customization is not done yet. We have to write here 1, 2, 3, 4. For this, I am using this brush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So also we our designing our backdrop is done. So let us move towards our batter. So again I am going to change the batter size. I think it is okay. It is okay. Now I will select a baseball. Baseball. I'm going to change its size into 45. Okay. So this is done. So settling our players is done. Now let us. So first step is to choose. After pressing this button, our dice will work. So let us select. From this two, you can select anything. I'm choosing this block. It is written when space key, but I'm choosing any keys press. Then go on motion, select this, glide one, sets two, and for this better. Now let me explain this code. Whenever we will press any key, then this ball will glide towards the batter, means our player. So glide one sets to batter. Then after selecting this, we need a glide one sets to batter and broadcast message. So now click on batter. Now select this block. When I receive message 1, now let us see the looks of. So the batter is hitting the ball in the C, in his C look. So let us select our A. Now when I receive the message 1, then the look will change. Switch costume to batter C, like this. Now I'll again click on message and broadcast new message. It should be glide. Broadcast glide. Now again click on baseball and select this block. When I receive glide, click on motion and select glide 1/6 to random position. So let us see our animation in full screen. It is moving to random position. Now I will explain. So whenever the ball is coming towards it, it is hitting, means if the ball goes on 2, you will got 2 points. If the ball go on 3, you will get 3 points. If 4, 4 points, 5, 5 points, 6, 6 points, and 7 on it, you will only get 6 points, because I think on dice only 6 points are there. For making this part equal, I have chosen 8. But if you want to make it 6, you can make it while dividing it neatly and clean. So our animation is done. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. So bye. I will meet you in next video. Uh, also I'm trying to make a Arduino based project for uploading on YouTube. So don't forget to subscribe. So for today,